I'm Dr. Saif from saif.org, and I'm back with another video about how to use generative AI to push forward your freelancer career. Several of you had written to me that you worry that when you're using generative AI, all of your work will look like everybody else's. We're all using the exact same prompts over the exact same information, and so wouldn't we all be producing the exact same work? In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with the AI so that you can produce your own unique work, so that you are set apart from everybody else, so that it doesn't look exactly the same as others, and you can add your own little unique touches. That's what we're going to do in today's episode. We're going to learn how you can collaborate with the AI to get things done faster, more efficiently, while setting in your own unique tone.
Okay, so we're interested in doing the human and AI collaboration. The first thing that we'll do is we provide to the AI, in this case ChatGPT, the context about the job that we're applying to. With this context, the generative AI will understand what we are working with. In this case, it will understand, okay, we want to apply to this particular job that has these characteristics. And so first, we share the job that we copied from Upwork. So it's a freelancer graphic designer job. And then we are going to give ChatGPT, the generative AI, the instructions. Write me a cover letter for this job. Now, if all freelancers are using that exact prompt, it's likely that all of our cover letters might look very similar to each other. And we're going to likely lose the opportunity for this job. So what we want to do is we want to add information about ourselves. Consider that I am a freelancer. We're adding in our information to give the unique touch. Consider that I am a freelancer from Boston. I love Gen Z humor. I am very reliable. I have 20 years of experience working as a graphic designer across different parts of the world, and have worked with big tech companies. Connect how my background is perfect for this job. So notice that I started to add personal information about myself, and that will help that the cover letter is not just like all of the other cover letters. I'm adding in about the Gen Z humor that I like, about my reliability, about my years of experience. And I'm also adding additional things for the AI to do, such as connecting how this background is relevant and perfect for this job. And so by having this human and AI collaboration is a way in which you can start to set yourself apart. And so here it started to add, for example, reliable, experience, and fun to work with. It took the joke part as a way to be fun. And so, hi there, I'm a freelancer designer based in Boston with over 20 years of experience crafting bold, clean, and effective visual design across the globe. I work with clients ranging from early stage startups to major tech companies, helping them bring their brand stories to life through thoughtful, eye-catching design. What keeps me inspired? A love for good design, a sharp eye for detail, and I admit it, a shortstop for Gen Z humor. If it makes you laugh and converts, we're winning. I specialize in creating, and so here it provided like a lot of the things that related to the job posting and the rates, etc. And so notice that this helped us to start to create content that is a little bit more unique than what everybody else is writing for. And that will help you to do your work effectively while also setting yourself apart. And so that you are unique still in what you are doing. And the AI is not just generating the exact same content and maybe the client feels not wanting to hire you. Why? Because it's just the same thing. They're seeing the same thing. So by adding your human touch to it, you can get some more unique content.